All right, this is Takota, no middle name Suarez. That's you, sir?
Yeah.
Welcome. You've been also here for a long time. Somebody usually ends up being last. Someone always ends up being last, but you're not last. You're next to last, and we'll do the best we can. Let me take a look at your case. You're charged with domestic assault. We get lots of these, including the one you just saw. Got a couple others this morning that we dealt with. Domestic assault or domestic violence is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. It's a first offense. It's alleged that you assaulted Hannah Lamb on November 9th. According to this, the prosecutor is agreed to put this on the domestic violence referral track. You heard me say that with the last guy. The good news with the disturbing the peace is it isn't a domestic assault. The bad news is it isn't allowed to be deferred. There's a special statute for domestic assault where if I put you on a probation with the prosecutor's consent and you successfully complete the probation, the charge is taken off your record as a public record of conviction. I'm sure your lawyer explained that to you. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Is that what you wish to do here? You've also been sitting here all morning listening to me blow my nose and giving people their advice of rights. Do you understand you have those same rights?
Yeah.
You'll be giving those up by having this plea, by pleading guilty to this. Anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No.
Or promise you anything? All right, this happened at 619 Spring Street.
Yeah.
And you and Hannah Lamb lived there?
Yeah.
She was your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Tell me what happened.
Yeah. We were drinking that night. Like we still like pulled all night and we were drinking a lot. Like,
Oh, well, do it. As I said on the earlier guy, it starts out when we started drinking. That'd be the first line of almost every story today.
yeah.
And she was mad about some other lady coming over to the house.
No, well, we had one of our friends. They didn't. My friend Ryan, but no other lady was there.
All right.
She.
Well, what were you arguing about?
I honestly, me and my homie were just chilling, and then she kind of got. I can't honestly remember, but she was just starting like kind of argument for I don't remember why. They were just bickering back and forth. And then she wanted to hurt herself, and that's why I tried to stop her from doing it.
So yeah, it said here, and then you said you didn't realize how hard you really hit.
I didn't hit her. Like
But
I was.
You'd grabbed her.
Yeah, trying to stop her from hurting herself.
All right.
Yeah.
So who lives at Spring Street?
Spring Street. Hannah.
All right, and you're living on Lance Road,
Yeah.
out by Pleasant Lake?
Yeah.
What do you do, sir?
I'm currently job hunting right now.
What kind of work have you done?
I worked at like Meyer. I've had fast food jobs. Like I've worked at Pizza.
Where'd you go to school?
3 Rivers.
What was your graduation year?
2022.
All right. Well, the law requires I set this for a sentencing at least 10 days out. Do you and she have children together?
We had miscarriage, but
I'm sorry. So they're not custody or visitation issues going on.
Yeah, we don't got no kids.
Ross, who did you deal with at pretrial?
Abby. And Josh was also in there.
The law requires I set this out at least 10 days. And we're coming up on Christmas, and I don't know whether you and she want to speak to each other or not. Let me see what I've got available. I kind of got Mr. Truckee dragged all over the calendar here. Ross, are you available on Monday, December 15th at 11? We could do it at, is that the one we just did?
Yeah, that's the one we were
Yeah, we've
doing.
already filled you up too far on that day.
Yeah, you earlier, but.
How about the 22nd? Monday, December 22nd at
works.
10:30.
10:30?
Mhm. All right, if we're gonna try to see where this goes, we'll do it before Christmas.
So. Yes, sorted out after the 22nd. No contact.
All right, don't get any more trouble and don't have any contact with the complainant until we get a chance to resolve this. I'll see you on Monday, December 22nd at 10:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, take care of yourself, young man. Good luck on the
All right,
job.
now Mr. Stainer. I thought we were taking a plea on this case, Ross. I'm sorry. I got so much stuff in front of me. I couldn't tell everything that I was doing.
Yeah, they were writing sheets kind of different or something. I'm not sure. But this, we weren't going to enter a plea on this file because of the other file, and the offer that was originally conveyed in this file expired because of the later developments.
All right.
But we would ask about bond today.
To further complicate life, We got a guy in jail named Caleb Stainer. That's you, sir. We got a guy in jail named Caleb Sterner. Caleb Warren Sterner and Caleb Evan Stainer. Hope they don't get your mail fit mixed up. Caleb Stainer is charged in this case with domestic violence. The file number is 252330SM. That matter was set for a pretrial conference this morning on a charge of domestic assault. Let's look at the It's alleged that you assaulted Mariah Baldridge on or about November 13th of 2025. There was an allegation of a bond violation, and we had a hearing on November 26th. You were charged with home invasion second, a new domestic violence, interfering with a crime report, and your blood alcohol was 0.24. So I revoked your bond, which is an unusual step for a misdemeanor, but I knew the matter was going to be set for hearing this morning. Let's see how much jail credit you've got. You've been in custody for 9 days. I can't, as a rule, revoke bond in a misdemeanor domestic violence case. You have new charges, which have resulted in some felony cases. Mr. Staining, you've been in jail now for 9 days. I think you got your head on straight.
Yeah. Scared straight would be a better word.
Well, you're also clean and sober.
Yes, extremely.
You have a pre-exam set for next week in the other case, and your attorney in that case is, who's the attorney in that case, do you know?
I think it was Ross.
Yeah, it is you. It's
I
you
got
also.
assigned to it.
Yes.
And I had a note on my calendar that says Caleb Stainer. Is this mine? So
Yes, it says here it is.
I'm proceeding as though it's my assignment. So
That's file 252434. All right. Maybe next Tuesday they can work these things out. We'll set that final pretrial. Defendant has PEC in file 252434. FYPE stands for pre-exam conference on a home invasion, aggravated stalking, and DV. And bond in that case $30,000 cash assured. With conditions. The original bond in this case was $200. I'm going to reinstate the original $200 bond in this case. Cancel revocation of bond. So you are entitled to a bond in a misdemeanor case. I've reinstated the $200 bond. We're now protected by a $30,000 cash or surety bond with safety conditions in it. So you'll be back in court next Tuesday, the 9th. I think that's my day, so I may see you again on Tuesday. Lunch is about to start at the jail. Yeah, these are both the same case. I think they're having Arby's roast beef sandwiches today. So you can go back to jail. Mr. Truckee will be in contact with you, and I'll see you on Tuesday morning. All right, you're good to go.
Thank you. Yeah, this is such a posted big. If you do, call me and let me know. Okay.
Okay, how would,
All right. Thank you.
do I have uniform remains today? It took that too. Conditions 8 o'clock this one.
Do you believe you're going to be able to post that $30,000 bond?
It's 3,000, right?
Well,
To get out.
I'm not sure how it's structured, but if you do get out, there's no contact whatsoever with a complaining witness. Do you understand?
Yeah, they're gonna put me on tether and I'm gonna go to work and I'm gonna do
All
what I'm
right.
supposed to be doing.
Yeah, there's conditions on there, but I can't do a no bond in a misdemeanor case. All right, you're good
Thank
to
you.
go.